Hello and welcome to the Kenneth Vercammen Law of Us Legal Podcast. This edition, we talk about DWI under the influence of prescription medications or drugs. That's right, someone can be charged with DWI in New Jersey when they have a valid prescription for any kind of drugs from a real medical doctor. In a way, it's unfair because back on December 1 in 2019, they made the statute easier where for most people with alcohol-related DWIs, they can have a interlock installed on their car and get away with as little as a week loss of license, and they're back on the roads. However, if someone's charged with a DWI under the influence of any kind of meds, it doesn't have to be just illegal meds. There's a mandatory loss of license between 7 months and 12 months, and there's no getting back and forth to work license. So it's important that if someone's charged with the DWI, that you immediately hire an experienced attorney and file the appropriate motion. So what are the examples of some of the pretrial motions that are filed? Well, number one, to suppress any evidence, also to suppress the stop. Two, Miranda motion, that any statements made should be excluded, even if they were given the Miranda warnings. A lot of times the argument is, if someone is so stoned or under the influence of drugs, maybe they could not do a voluntary waiver of their rights. Three, a motion to exclude a lab test. Four, to compel additional discovery. Five, to request dismissal if all the discovery requested was not provided. Six, request expert reports. And seven, oppose what's called DREs, drug recognition evaluators. Eight, file a motion to object to lab reports under the drug statute. And nine, file a challenge to chain of custody. Now, although under some of the case law, all the motions don't have to be in writing, isn't that the better way to go? You file your formal motions in writing, therefore the judge down the road can't say, well, I wasn't advised this was going to be a motion. For more information on defending a DWI drug under the influence of meds or any kind of drugs, visit website njlaws.com or website benotguilty.com. That's benotguilty.com. And for representation, contact Ken Vercammen's office in Edison at 732-572-0500. Thank you.